Today I'm going to be sharing 3 different ways that you can put your lipstick or your lip tint so that it fits your look of the day. Okay, so let's go. First things first, moisturize your lips with some lip balm. I'm using Vaseline over here. You can use any kind of lip balm. Just put it on for a minute or 2 while you do all the rest of your makeup on your face. So after you're done, just use a tissue to wipe it off. So after you wipe the lip balm off, you have a very nice base to work with. So there's gonna be less empty lines on your lips as well, especially if you are using matte products. Okay, so today we'll be using this, which is the semi-matte lip tint from Chio Tour. These are China's top lip tint. So to date, they have sold 7 million products. So if you're interested in the review, you can find them right here. And let's go. So if you know us Asians, we love very natural looking makeup, especially on our lips as well. We are not into that liquid lipstick kind of look. So today we'll be starting off with the most natural way to put your lip products. This applies to any lip product, okay? Be it lip tint, be it lipstick, anything. So first things first, you want to take some product. You're only required to put lip product on the inner part of your lips. If you're unclear, you can see the diagram here. So first things first, put a layer on the inner part of your lips, both on the upper lip and the bottom lip. Smack your lips for a few times to make sure that the product is evenly distributed across your lips. Thereafter, use your finger to smudge it out on the sides. So as you can tell, this is a very natural form of putting lip products for Asians. So this lips is very good for everyday use, be it for going on a date, be it going to work, be it going anywhere. This is very good for you. The second look is a little bit more bold, but it does not have any harsh lines at all. So for this look, you need to draw an M on your upper lip. So the reason why we are drawing M on the upper lip, it gives the illusion that the lip is slightly smaller on the side. So followed by a full coat on your bottom lip. Smack your lips a little. Use your finger to smudge the lip product out of the lip line, only very slightly. This second look is like the lollipop look. For some of us Asians, we really don't like harsh lines on our lips. So they came up with this, which is a thicker version of the first version just now. But this is way more flashy than the previous one. So this one requires us to go heavier on the color and at the same time smudge it out of your lip line so that it has like this smudged lollipop look. So moving on to the last look. So the last look is really for people who like to be very bold with their colors. For people who like very red lips, normally you will go full out to define the lips, and this is what we're gonna do. For this look, you need to outline your lips with the pointy end of the lip product that you are using. Be it a lipstick, be it a lip tint, there's always a pointy end that you can use, a sharp edge that you can use like a pencil to outline your whole lip. And after that, just fill it up and smack your lips a little so that it's evenly distributed. So this is a very defined kind of look. So if you are going for that sexy outfit and that confident looking boss mode outfit, this would be the lip for you. So these are the 3 different kinds of lip applications you guys can use. So if you haven't seen my video on 6 ways to apply blusher, you can watch that video here. So all these videos fall under my playlist, which is the Asian Beauty Tips playlist. If you're interested, you can go and check that out on my channel. But yes, again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys found these tips useful. Thank you guys for watching as always, and love me, sub me if you wanna reach me. Bye!